welcome to our Tech Journal. This is the Sony ZV-E10 with 16 to 70. Yes, the Sony 60 to 70 is the ZEISS F4. But this video is not about that. Yeah, I know I'm using the picture profile 1 and I'm using the OIS only. But still this video is not about that. By the way, I know this video is going to be helpful if you're thinking to get the Sony ZV-E10 built-in microphone at 26 decibel, picture profile 1. But today I'm going to buy the folding phone, maybe Galaxy Fold or Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold. And let me show you around. So I came to the older part of the China. 幾錢啊？399。The best price. बैग के देखो। बैग सही करो ना। तो रवि, look at your bag. Six. कितने में इसी? 399. 399.
Made in Korea. It's high quality. High quality. Made in Korea.
Potential Thai Mali Falim Kasai. So that one is selling for around $60 US, but this video is not about that. This video is about buying a folding phone. By the way, this video is also about this Sony ZV-E10 with the Sony ZEISS 16-70mm F4. So I'm using the OIS only. I don't understand why people hate this lens. This is a very sharp lens from 16mm to the telephoto 70mm. I can get around 150mm in APS-C or 225mm in the full frame. If I turn on the clear zoom with 1.5x and then I turn on the active stabilization. Rabi, where are you? So I'm just handling walking. This is the OIS. If you are thinking to get the A6400, A66, A6100, A6300, especially the A6400, those cameras do not have the stabilization or the Sony ZV-E10 have the active stabilization, but I'm not going to use. I'm going to use the OIS only. So we are going to the Wonder Digital built-in microphone. Rabi, where are you? They have some of the phone, as you can see. I can easily zoom to 70mm. The rolling shutter is quite bad. Nothing. Sorry. So still built-in microphone. I'm not using external microphone.
Recording on? Mix Fold.
Yeah.
喂，哇！哎呀，死啦！而家數錢俾你，你等一陣啊。
Mix Fold 我想要。
Sorry.
How much?
6,000.
Brand new?
Yeah. Oh, just sold out.
Sold out. But this one I tell to come to. Sold out.
Faster than you.
Oh.
攞個
收錢機。
係啊。
Okay, sold out of it.
Only have this 256. Only have 512.
How much that one?
1,000 more.
1,000 more. Galaxy Fold have how much? Rabi, sold out that one. Okay. So you can look around. So the phone is sold out. Just 1 minute. Abhi rok do. Lal wal se rok liye. Sadly, the phone is sold out. Let me just show you the 70mm. This Oppo N5. Let me show you again 70mm. Oppo Find N. Galaxy Fold. I'm looking for the Mi Mix Fold. Let's see what else phone do we have. So I think the phone is sold out. Abhi, let's go. Maybe Wednesday. Yeah. It's very sad to say sold out. So make sure to subscribe and bye.